What you're about to witness is something most marketing directors never get to see. A $12,000 sale being rescued from your competitors in real time. Pay close attention to how this conversation unfolds. This prospect was actively comparing prices with 3 competitors. They had other tabs open, ready to bounce. But watch how our human specialist builds authentic trust through real conversation. No AI scripts, no robotic responses, just genuine human expertise. Notice how they're naturally qualifying while keeping the prospect engaged. This is the difference between automation and real human intelligence. And here comes the moment. Watch as another sales qualified meeting gets booked directly into our client's calendar. The prospect never made it to the competition. While most companies are wasting $297 a month on chatbots that drive leads away, our human specialists are intercepting and converting leads like this 24/7, starting at just $57 per month for startups. And we've already prevented $4.94 billion in lost sales from going to competitors. Tap below to see how many leads you're currently losing and how quickly we can stop the bleeding.